Colosseum 25th anniversary warm-up. Banksy, Agent Blue.
Let me bring to you the heaven. If the devil's in your spirit, then it's gonna be beheadings. I see you turn around, are you guilty of hay? Way, you come back to the gate. We're about to enter a oh! The music is so loud, moving back and forward, swaying, dancing in the crowd. The pathway is lit, you chant my name. Come take your wings, quick release those flames. Many has been trying to lead, but now I'm a pioneer. MCs, you wanna come close, think twice, you'll got spears. Don't fear me, there is no execution. Me and the Raven Mafia team, no substitutions. Okay, but it may be something I can treat, but I understand when it comes to breeding MCs on the street. Cause an outbreak, yo, gonna get you ready for war. Show the nation how we do it, from nothing at all, let's go. I exercise my rights to get up on the stage and I pick up the mic. MCs that clean the lights, support about friends, communities tight. So I don't start making the truth the proof, or is it just an illusion? Too many clicks, bomb licks, lead tables so confusing. Right now I'm on top of the game, sitting on the cloud producing the rate to you, I'm irrelevant. I was excellent, smoother than the early millennium. In the back of stolen cars, memory, yeah, the ocean bars. And fallen passed away, that's how we used to live those days. I'll take you back in time, where you can see my roots. Start off with a hardcore CD for £3, that's back in school. Big shout the MC TNT, happy birthday mate. I'll take you back in time, where you can see my roots. Start off with a hardcore CD for £3, that's back in school. That was teenage life, the very best of years. When I hear a song I used to play, as if mine through it is. Yo, inside I'm crying, take a look in the past, I see dying. I gotta keep on trying, like Jesus, yes I'm shining. You put oil in my lamp, gonna keep desire burning. Gonna get out, experience like you're in a school of learning. I'm on a microphone now with a half in the pop and I blow you away. And if you wanna stay, you better come this way. Welcome to the promised land, on the place where we can party. True, genuine, a leader, heart with it's not faulty. See people really wanna test ya, but me, I'm away like Tesla. Straight off in the rockets in the moon, but fill up on the mic and the back of a tune. Next time you look at the moon, understand they living in the room of the universe. Not time for rehearsal, take me out, come dance with the angels. Who wants to get another story? It's about a boy who used to play with ecstasy, he thought it was a toy. Then he took so many and he had an overdose. Started sniffing cocaine up that nose, and after many lines the bars got weaker. Started chasing dragons, liquid dancing into speakers. Eyes rolling back, mind numb, walking on the wild path of life. You see it's evil that provides, now I'm the living devil. Pain is mounting up, I said the planet is so heavy. Looking for the way out, I can't take the aftermath. I'm an anti-social human living in the after dark. Devils with more devils getting served by the devil. Stairs are getting steeper, we're about to break the level. Chained like a prisoner, ready for release. I've had a vision of a walking man breaking free.